I'm afraid of many things. I'm afraid of giant spiders, and I'm afraid of little spiders. I'm afraid of every single spider. They're gross. They disgust me. It's so gross. And I'm afraid of bridges. I'm afraid of bridges might falling down. And people keep reasoning with me, like saying, they won't fall down, they're old. And I say, yeah, because they're old, they might fall down. Or, the bridge is new, it won't fall down. And I'm like, yeah, but because it's new, it might just fall down because it's not working. Or something. And I just begin taking my driver's license. And I'm afraid of driving. I'm taking my driver's license in Copenhagen. And Copenhagen is a huge city. For me, I'm a country girl. I come from, like, far away from the city. I'm not familiar with all of those cars and bicycles and pedestrians everywhere, and there's just people everywhere, okay? And there're just so many, and I'm afraid I might kill someone. I'm gonna kill someone riding a bike or something. I'm sure of it. I'm gonna kill someone. And I'm just really afraid. What I'm also really afraid of is cameras, I think. I think deep down in my soul, I'm afraid of cameras. And I shouldn't be. I'm talking to one right now, but the amount of videos I've made is not that big. I think I've made 2 videos. And every time I turn on the camera, I start speaking differently. Because I'm afraid of something. And I don't know what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid that the ones I live with will hear me and I will be embarrassed. Or I'm gonna say something stupid, I'm gonna put it online and everybody's gonna see it. All of you 10 guys. I'm just really afraid of cameras. And just today, I went to my driver's license and I met this guy. And he spoke English to me. He was like, when does it ever get to be summer in Denmark? And I was like, in July. Only July. And I spoke with him in English. And we just had this conversation. I was like, this is cool. This is my normal voice. I'm just speaking like a normal person. And I just thought on my way home, why don't I do that in front of the camera? Because in my other videos, the 2 there is, I'm speaking like, so yeah, this is, because I'm afraid. I'm afraid of something. And I have to overcome this fear. Like, I also have to overcome my fear of spiders when I grow like older and get children. And they will be frightened and I have to kill the spiders or take them outside. I have to get rid of my fear of bridges because it's just a silly, silly fright. The bridge won't fall down, but I'm just afraid. And I've walked many bridges, as you also see in the other videos. I thought I was going to die, but I didn't die, and then I shouldn't be afraid of them. And I'm gonna get my driver's license. I'm gonna be really good at driving because I'm cool and I'm awesome and I'm gonna drive cars and I won't kill anyone. As my fear of cameras. I'm gonna make videos. I don't care who watches them. One person can watch it. It will be like a conversation. Me speaking all the time. That's pretty normal for me. I always talk. And I'm gonna be okay with it. Because I have to do this. This is a fear and I have to overcome it. So this is me. This is me, this is how I am. This is my videos and I'm gonna do this. I will see you soon. Goodbye.